It's that time again. It's time to clean our battery. So let's clean our battery. A dirty battery can cause a lot of problems with your charging system. So our first step is to disconnect the battery. We go with the negative cable, the positive cable, and the bracket. Manufacturers use a variety of different hold-down brackets. It'll either be an overhead one like this, or there'll be a bracket at the base of the battery. Put on some gloves and let's remove the battery. Place the battery in an open space and remove any battery terminal protectors. Now let's mix up some water and baking soda. Mix it up and pour the solution all over the top of the battery. And this mixture is probably about 1 part baking soda and 5 parts water. The baking soda will neutralize any acid on the battery. Now let's get a spray cleaner like Simple Green, Mean Green, Purple Power, Power Orange, one of those. Let's clean the top, sides, and bottom of the battery. Let the cleaner sit on the battery for a few minutes, then hose off the battery with water. Clean the top, the sides, and the bottom. Make sure the battery is thoroughly washed with water. Let the battery air dry, and I like to clean the terminals with a rag or a paper towel. Now it's time to clean the battery tray. With the same baking soda and water solution, we'll pour the solution all over the battery tray. You might need to do this process a second time to neutralize any acid in the battery tray. Now with the same baking soda and water solution, we'll clean the battery cable connectors. You can place the connectors in the solution, or you can pour the solution over the connectors. Take a paper towel or rag and wipe out the battery tray. Clean both connectors with a wire brush. Let's go back to the battery to clean the terminals. We'll use a battery post cleaner to clean each terminal. Turn the battery post cleaner a few times to clean each post. Now we can clean our battery hold down. Place the items in the same solution of baking soda and water and let them sit there for a few minutes. Back to our battery tray, and we're going to use silicone spray on the battery tray to prevent acid from forming. Cover the tray completely with silicone spray and let it set. Do not wipe it off. Our battery tray is now prepared. Let's install our clean battery. With the battery installed, we'll go ahead and connect our battery cables. We'll tighten the positive cable first. And then we'll connect and tighten the negative battery cable. Now we'll protect the battery from any acid buildup by spraying silicone spray over the top. A light coat will be enough. Now that the battery is coated with silicone spray, we'll replace the battery hold-down bracket. With the bracket in place, we'll now spray the bracket with silicone spray to prevent any acid buildup. Let the silicone spray dry on the battery and the bracket, and we're done. The battery is cleaned. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.